Hello guys, welcome to Vikram Technical. Today we are going to unboxing and review the Garo USB-A to Type-C cable and breakable braided cable, 3A fast charging. Compatible with all Type-C devices including smartphones. Compatible for tablets etc. 1 3.2 feet, 480 megabits per second data transmission. Supports maximum 3A fast charging and 480 megabits per second data transfer speed. Efficient data transfer. Enjoy speedy data transmission at 480 megabits per second, making file transfers and backups a breeze. Universal compatibility. This 1-meter cable is universally compatible, working seamlessly. Durable build. The premium nylon braided skin not only adds durability, but also protects the cable from wear and tear, ensuring a longer lifespan. Exceptional durability with a lifespan of 10i00 plus bends. This cable is built to withstand everyday wear and tear, ensuring long-lasting performance. Compatible with all Type-C-enabled devices, be it an Android smartphone, Samsung, Oppo, Vivo, Realme, OnePlus, tablet, power bank, earbuds, etc. Unbreakable, made of special braided outer with rugged interior bindings. It is ultra-durable cable that won't be affected by daily rough usage. 12 months manufacturer warranty from the date of purchase. Note: for best charging experience, use high-speed charging adapters. Review. The quality of this cable helps me to charge the mobile handset and data transfer at a very high speed. Recommendable product. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And see you next video.